Notice: our courses are taught in English. If you want to see subtitles in other languages, first, we open the Subtitles closed captions at the bottom right of the video. Then click Setting and select Subtitles (CC) and click Auto Translate. Now you can choose your preferred language from the list. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to introduce some easily damaged parts on the hash board of Innosilicon T2TH+. The first chip is the ASIC chip, LC2001A, which is very important in all hash boards. Once the ASIC chip fails, the hash board's hash rate will be reduced or even zero. '74 LVC2G34GW is the SDI signal level conversion chip, which is used to transmit SDI signals. The third chip is a boost chip, MP3426, and the damage of the boost chip will affect the power supply of the LDO. Finally, there is the LDO chip. After the LDO chip is damaged, the ASIC chip will not work properly. These four chips are easily damaged chips on the Innosilicon T2TH+ hash board. If you have any questions, you can leave them below or send us a message.